Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, folks. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm just going to show you briefly what I've been busy making for the upcoming markets. I've got, as you can see, my table is full. It's loaded. I'll tell you at the end how many items I have here. But for now, I know I have got 5 species. I've got my chickens, I've got my dolphins, I've got my cats, I've got my snakes, octopuses. Yeah, that's about it. Okay, as you can see, I've made some very lovely octopuses, mini octopuses. Their 8 legs, ready for these upcoming markets. I've made them in different colors, as you can see. Got them in orange, I've got them in deep blue, navy blue, and so forth. And I've got about, as you can see, I've got about 20 of these. And I have a pattern on YouTube, on my channel, which I've introduced on how to make this one. So if you're interested, you can research and you'll be able to find it. Next to them, I've got these low-lying snakes ready to bite somebody. As you can see, they can stretch, they can curl, they can even raise their head, you know, ready to sting. Okay, so I've made these snakes here. Again, I've made them in different colors, camouflage. They can actually hide in the grass. I've got them again in these lovely colors. The kids love them in this. As you can see, they can bend and curl, you know, like snakes. If you've seen a snake before, it can curl itself, and this is it. There is your snake there. Yeah, I've actually got a pattern which I've just introduced on my channel, and I've actually got it in this white snake. I've also got these dolphins here. These dolphins are courtesy of a pattern I saw on YouTube. Unfortunately, I can't remember the name of the, but once I do, I will link it in my channel, where I've got these lovely dolphins. And I think the snakes here I've made about 15. The dolphins I've made about 5 only. You see, I'm still, you know, on the make with those. Then next to them, I've got these lovely kittens, cats, mew. I have them in all sorts of different colors again, ready for these markets. So these are my cats. Again, I've made them in all different colors. I've also got a pattern for these on my channel. I have about 20 of these cats here. Hopefully I'll make some more if time permits. Then lastly and not least are my favorites, the chickens. I will never go to the market without them. This time I've made them in egg yellow and gray colors. These, I love chickens. They make good sales. So yes, I've got my chickens here. In different colors. I think I have 10 gray ones so far, and I have about 20 golden egg yellow ones. So yeah, this is my stash which I've made for the market, but obviously this is not enough because Christmas is around the corner. I have to work hard and make some more, and nearer time I'll show you, you know, what I will have made totally ready for the markets. So I have about 30 of those, you know, 10 and 20, and another 20 there. That makes 50 items. I have 15 there, that's 65, and I have 5 dinosaurs, that's 70, and I have about 20 here, 20 octopuses. That's about 90 items. These are some of the dinosaurs I'm talking about here. So I've got about 90 items so far, and I'm sure you'll appreciate. This is like the whole stage there, as you can see, right up to there. So yeah, I hope you love them. You like, subscribe, and comment on my stage. Thanks for watching. Sorry, my people. Sorry for that. These are not dolphins. These are not dinosaurs. They are dolphins. I've just called them down dinosaurs at the end of my video there, which is not right. These are dolphins, courtesy of a pattern I got on YouTube. I've just made about 5 of them, like I've just been saying. So please don't let that deter you. Old age is creeping up. I'm over 70, so I can call anything, any name, as long as it's a toy. But yeah, this is a dolphin, not a dinosaur, like I've just said. I hope that won't deter you from subscribing and liking my video. Again, thanks for watching. It's a bye for now.